What if I told you you could double your savings in 1 year, even as a full-time student? I started with almost nothing, but with a few simple habits, I doubled my savings in 12 months. No lottery, no scam, just consistent moves. Before we start, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's level up together. My name is Roberta. A year ago, I was like many students. Classes, dorm life, limited income, and almost no savings. I had big dreams, but small means. I kept waiting for the right time to start building wealth. That was the mistake, waiting. So I made a decision. Small, consistent actions beat big, risky moves. I set tiny systems I couldn't ignore, and I promised myself to track, to learn a monetizable skill, and to be patient. If you're a student in Addis or anywhere in Africa, this is for you. Habit 1. Track every single burr. You can't improve what you don't measure. I categorized spending and saw where money leaked. I picked one method and stuck to it weekly. The awareness alone changed my behavior. Tip: keep it simple so you'll actually do it. Habit 2. Create a side income from your skills. I used video editing and graphic design. I approached local businesses that needed content. Small projects added up, and I explored online platforms to expand. Start where you are. Campus clubs, local shops, even $50 a month moves the needle. Habit 3. Automate savings, then invest in you. I made saving the default, not a decision. I bought a course and practiced weekly, 1 to 2 focused hours every week. I chose learning over short-term spending. Pick a skill, schedule it, and track progress. After 12 months, I saved more than double my initial savings and built consistent side income. More importantly, my confidence grew. My mindset shifted from I can't to I will. I rewarded myself within the plan. It wasn't perfect. Some months, expenses spiked or work slowed. But habits helped me recover fast. Small routines beat motivation alone. Tip 1. Write your 12-month goal, like saving 50,000 burr or getting 1 freelancing client. Tip 2. Remove 1 recurring expense you don't need. Tip 3. Use microtasks, small gigs, campus services, contests. Tip 4. Automate your savings. Tip 5. Review monthly and adjust. Here's your 30-day challenge. Track every burr, save at least 5%, and pick one skill you'll invest in. Come back in 30 days and comment your results. I'll feature one story next video. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more on money, skills, and mindset. Share this with someone who needs it. Remember, small steps every day create big change. Until next time, I'll see you at the top.